Tim mar Kenya mar rugby mar jomamine nodhi nyime gi orako motelo tuke mag laro osimbo mar Afrika madhi timore Nairobi juma manyien. Tim no biro bedo weg pacho ka timbe buora mag Afrika biro piem e alap mar RFUA e boma ma Nairobi. Kocha ma Lioness Simon Odongo owacho ni bedo ni tugo no idhi go e pacho kae en gi yie ni ginyalo biro dongi okombe e buore ka. Kenya dhi go tugo mokwongo gi Ivory Coast tarik 15 dweni. Captain Sheila Chajira onyiso geno maduong' kaluwore gi ikruok ma gisebedo gode.
And the ladies look sharp, and our target for the Africa Cup is, since it's on home ground, is to actually win the title. And but our mantra as Lionesses is always to take it one game at a time. So for us, our first final is Côte d'Ivoire. So that's the first game we're playing. So all our targets are on how do we make sure we eliminate Côte d'Ivoire from the final berth.
We are having African Cup this coming weekend. The team has really focused. We've been second for a while. In 2018, we took the cup in 2018. So the tournament's here at home. So everyone is ready to show our fans that we are able to take it back.